It's time to break out the SWOT analysis. A classic tool that uncovers the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats facing your business. This will set the stage for smarter, more informed strategic planning. So unlike just jotting down pros and cons, SWOT analysis involves a structured method for assessing both internal and external factors impacting your business. With over 20 years in digital marketing, particularly within the events industry, I'm here to guide you through this foundation strategy tool to streamline your business plans effectively. Let's make this practical with a case study from a digital marketing agency known for its creative campaigns yet facing stiff competition. Now, applying SWOT. Strength. So our agency's creativity is unmatched, providing innovative campaigns that grab attention. The opportunity to harness this creativity to pioneer new digital marketing trends that captivate not just local but also global markets. Weaknesses. However, the agency isn't as strong in client communication, often missing out on feedback that could drive improvement. The opportunity here is to implement new client engagement strategies that not only retain existing customers but also attract new ones by showcasing improved service. Opportunities. Now, emerging digital platforms offer a fresh playground for marketing. The agency could leverage these new tools to expand their reach and tap into a younger audience, ensuring they stay ahead in the digital marketing game. Threats. Now, competition is fierce, with several firms eyeing the same clientele. The strategy differentiate by offering something unique, perhaps an exclusive analytics service that not just markets but also provides clients with valuable insights on their customers. So how SWOT transforms strategy? The SWOT analysis doesn't just map out where we stand, it provides a blueprint for action. It helps us turn our strengths into market wins, convert weaknesses into growth opportunities, seize external opportunities and mitigate potential threats. So this is how you evolve from being reactive in your marketing efforts to being strategically proactive. You move from enduring market waves to making them. So now it is your turn to master SWOT analysis. You can download our SWOT worksheet linked below and start applying these insights today. So have you ever performed a SWOT analysis for your business before? What did you discover? Share your experiences in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe to really help us out. If you haven't seen our more in-depth look at SWOT analysis, then I will drop the link below for that video. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.